State College, high wind warning. I missed it on WXM 33, unfortunately.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bedford, and Somerset, high wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include Cambria, Blair, Somerset, and Bedford counties. Hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas
Oof.
and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. For high wind safety information, visit Weather Governor Wind. The latest forecast information can be found on the National Weather Service State College Facebook page and Twitter at NWSSTATECOLLEGE or on the web at weathergovernor/CTP.